Okay, this is Taj. Take 3. Hopefully it won't be quite as shaky this time. I apologize in advance if the camera work is shaky, but I'm holding my iPad up and zooming in and out. Okay, let's see. These are the banners out front of the show. I'm at 360 XQMX in Ajijic, Mexico. It's my first solo show. Let's go inside. This piece here is 1 meter by 1 meter, or 39.5 inches each direction. And got a little leaf action in the way. Up there you can see it pretty well. The title is Elements in Balance. And here's the companion digital collage. So the concept for the show is that each piece has a digital collage under it or near it. In the show inside, they're all underneath. So it's Monoprints and... Ooh, hey dog, you want to be in the video? That's Arthur. I call him Arthur Barker because he has quite a bark. So here's a quick overview of the space. That's going to be where the drinks are served. And there's the house dog again. So let's look at the art. The top on this side, these are jelly monoprints. And then below each one is a digital collage based on the monoprint. Some of them have changed a whole lot, and some of them are pretty similar to the original. These are two of my favorites, so I'll go in a little closer. That one is titled Tribal Drum, and the digital collage Inventing the Wheel. There's another one that I'm really proud of. Queen Midas. Oh, dog. It's a very excitable dog. The perfect first bite. I'm also going to be teaching a creative writing class and mindfulness class in this space with some improvisational writing exercises. And then people are going to do writing based on a painting or a digital collage that they choose, or that chooses them, more like. I'm going to cover up all the titles, and they will give it their own title and then do some writing. Let's go to the next section. Summer Rain. Ancestral Home. I apologize for the bumpiness. I hope nobody's getting seasick watching this. I just turned 60 a week ago, and this is my first solo show with a little bit over 60 pieces, 68 actually it ended up being. I was shooting for 60, and then it kind of got out of hand. Apparently this is the most pieces that they've had in this gallery ever at one time.
How long ago did you start to paint?
Oh, I've been painting my whole life.
Oh,
So when I went to college in the 80s or even high school, I'm taking a video of the show for people who can't be here in person.
Yeah, good idea. Great show.
Thank you. So the one above is the original and the one below is the Digital Collage. That one's crooked on purpose. Feel free to pause the video if I'm going through these too fast. Okay, let's go to the paintings. These are all 16 by 16 inches on wood. This one's called Yorick.
That makes me nervous. Musician.
Glad I'm doing this now because once people start arriving, I'm not going to be thinking about taking a video. Hopefully I remember to shoot a couple pictures of the group. Hopefully it's a nice crowd. We shall see. Bethany has a local email list of hundreds of people, and then I've invited a ton of people, and I know at least a dozen or so are coming, but who knows beyond that. I also gave a talk at the local, well, we call it Gringo Central, Lake Chapala Society, last Sunday, and gave everybody who came to the talk, about 65 people, flyers for the show. So hopefully that helped. The talk went really well. It was amazing. I really feel proud of that. That one and this one are a pair. So got some glare going. We got Spirits of Cloud Mountain on the left, and then Temple of the Sky Dancers on the right. I'm just trying to find a spot where the glare isn't so bad. It's hard. Because these are facing the window, I think it's harder. I got a mosquito following me around. Go away.
I see my clean gray towels back in rooms.
Dance of the Clay Jars. This one's called Ajijic. I love the collage that goes with that. Winter Moon Dust. This one was based on a photo I took at a craft fair, well, high-end arts and crafts fair in Tlacopake. Everything handmade. I call that one Penguin Eyes for the Moon. Oh, we have just a few left. I love this one too. I decided with my business cards to just take little details of these paintings. So this one and the one I just showed you are two of the 4 styles or designs. A little section of this, or the, I can't remember if it's the painting or the collage, but one of those two. Second to last one. And here's the very last one. So that's my show.